Have you ever wondered how to start an online business with no money? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about the best online businesses you can start in 2024 with zero investment. Starting an online business can be a great way to earn income and pursue your passion. And the best part? You don't need a huge investment to get started. Here are some ideas. Content creation. Creating content in the form of blogs, videos, or podcasts is a great way to attract an audience and monetize your expertise. To start, choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a potential audience. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. You can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or by selling digital products or services. Freelancing. Freelancing allows you to offer your skills and services to clients on a project basis. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find freelance opportunities in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, and more. To succeed as a freelancer. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This business model eliminates the need for inventory and allows you to start an online store with minimal upfront costs. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up a dropshipping store and start selling products online. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn passive income by promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. To succeed in affiliate marketing, choose products or services that align with your niche and have a high conversion rate. Focus on creating high-quality content that drives traffic and encourages users to click on your affiliate links. Online courses. Creating and selling online courses is a lucrative business idea, especially if you have expertise in a particular subject. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera make it easy to create and sell online courses to a global audience. To succeed in this business, choose a topic that you're passionate about and that has a demand in the market. Create high-quality, engaging courses that provide real value to your students. Social media management. Social media management is a growing field, and businesses are always looking for help managing their social media accounts. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for creating and scheduling content, engaging with followers, and analyzing social media metrics. To succeed in this business, stay updated with the latest social media trends and tools, and provide excellent service to your clients. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. This can include tasks such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling customer inquiries, and more. To succeed as a virtual assistant, you'll need to be highly organized, detail-oriented, and able to multitask effectively. Digital marketing services. Digital marketing is a broad field that includes services such as search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, and more. Businesses are always looking for help with their digital marketing efforts, making it a lucrative business opportunity. To succeed in this business, stay updated with the latest digital marketing trends and tools, and provide measurable results to your clients. Ebook publishing. Ebook publishing is a popular way to monetize your writing skills and expertise. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to self-publish ebooks and reach a global audience. To succeed in ebook publishing, choose a topic that you're knowledgeable about and that has a demand in the market. Create a high-quality ebook with a compelling cover and description and market it effectively to attract readers. Print on demand. Print on demand allows you to create and sell custom-designed merchandise without the need for inventory. You can create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, and sell them through platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble. To succeed in this business, create unique and appealing designs that resonate with your target audience and market your products effectively to drive sales. In conclusion, starting an online business with no money in 2024 is possible, but requires dedication, creativity, and strategic thinking. Choose a business idea that aligns with your skills and interests, and be willing to put in the time and effort required to succeed. With perseverance and a willingness to learn, you can build a successful online business and achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel 10 Mins Info for more tips and tricks on content creation and other inspirational video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.